All Visacrem machines can be used with either pods, capsules or ground coffee using a converter handle. Simply place the capsule or pod in the appropriate handle, put the handle in the group head and select the coffee you require. Using capsules or pods allows the barista to serve quality espresso quickly and consistently. All Visacrem machines can be fitted with an optional automatic milk frother, which creates perfectly microfoamed milk by automating the adjustment of milk flow and air mixing. Simply set the foamer dial to either L for latte or C for cappuccino.